Daddy's truck for me, please.
Okay, Daddy's in Jay's truck checkout today.
Okay.
Mom, I have to look at the engine.
Okay.
All right, let's check the oil first.
Can you check the oil, Jay?
Get the oil.
Does it have enough?
Yes.
Okay.
Has enough.
All right. How do you know?
Because it's at that oil exit.
Okay. Very good.
It's hard to put it in.
Yeah. What else do we need to check?
Has it got enough coolant in it?
Yes.
Where's the coolant tank? How do you know it's got enough?
Because it's at 2 lines. It's in between the 2 lines.
Okay.
How about the power steering fluid? Where's that at?
That's it.
Has it got enough?
Yes.
How do you know?
Because it is blue and it's at the line.
How about the battery?
The battery, it says green is good. It says red is bad because green means it's started, but red means it might be stuck somewhere and you don't know.
Okay. So is
like
ours
it's on the road.
red or green?
It is green right now.
Okay, that's great. What else can we check?
We can check.
How's the brake fluid?
Brake fluid?
Oh yeah, it's right over there at the white thing. Yeah.
How do you know it's good?
Because it has 2 lines.
Okay, very good.
And it's good.
How about the windshield washer fluid?
Windshield washer, is that okay?
The blue fluid. Where's the blue windshield washer fluid?
Where's the windshield washer?
Not here.
Where's the windshield washer fluid?
Oh, over here.
All right, well, are you coming over here? All right, so how is that looking?
Where is it at again?
Where's the blue fluid at?
You see the blue fluid?
Oh yeah, it's right here.
Yeah.
And it has to be all the way up at the white side.
Oh, yeah, is ours okay?
Yes.
Okay, so how do you think Daddy's truck is?
Good.
And if we want to check the automatic transmission, how do we do that?
We have to start up the truck and we have to pull it out and see how it's good.
Which one do we pull out?
This one.
That's right.
Can we do it now, or you have to do what first?
We have to do it next time on JCV.
Okay.